Hi friends, welcome back in a new tutorial by uh, Art Life. We are making a quilling flower with the paper strips. For that we need a paper gum, a glue, the size of 220 green strip, orange strip 3, 100 mm strips, 150 mm blue strip, and the yellow strip 300 mm. So let's start from the orange. We're gonna make a coil, this, and put the glue on it. In the same size we will make 3 of them, the orange strips, same size. When you make like this, okay, we will make 3 of them. Now we make 3 for in. Now we will use the green one. We do a size of a green. Big size. This size. Now we will put them together. This shape. Then we'll make like this. Have to put the glue. This shape. We make the first step. Now we will make a coil of the yellow one. For the yellowish, we have to make it the bigger one that hold them out of the corner, like this size. making. It seemed like we did with green, with the cover. Now we will put some glue on the edge of yellow. And make it nice pattern with some different colors. Oh, we almost done it. Now we make 5 same style, same color petals. Now we will make them a flower. Now it's done. After that we will do something with this. Now friends, we are making a coil to put the middle of this flower. So we pick it in this shape. We make a coil to put the middle for the flower. Now we are making it to hold the flower in your hands and put in this shape. When you do it like this, the flower make a 3D shape like this. Now we make it in a 3D shape of flower, as you can see. So I hope you like our video and you learn something. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel and comment please. We will meet you in the next tutorial, in the next flower or next art in our Art Life channel. So keep watching, stay tuned, bye.